In this video, you will learn how to change the rewind pinch roller. Turn off the printer and disconnect all cables. Lay the printer on its side. Open the media door. Remove all media and ribbon from the printer. Remove the peel or rewind plate if installed. Open the rewind pinch roller. Remove the 7mm nut from the pinch roller assembly support bracket. Remove the T15 screw from the pinch roller support bracket. Remove the pinch roller support bracket. Remove the T10 screw securing the rewind pinch roller assembly to the support plate. Remove the T15 screw on the left inside wall of the printer. Rotate the rewind spindle until you have access to the screw to the left of the spindle. Remove the T15 screw. Hold the bearing cover in place while lifting the rewind pinch roller assembly to disengage it from the bearings. Remove the rewind pinch roller assembly from the printer. Note the location of the C-shaped bearing cutouts in the new rewind pinch roller assembly. Align the C-shaped cutouts over the bearings, then rock the rewind pinch roller until it clicks into position. Align the black bearing cover over the bearing and with the mounting screw hole in the rewind pinch roller assembly. Partially install the T10 screw through the mounting screw hole in the pinch roller assembly. Install the black T15 screw on the left inside wall of the printer. Install the silver T15 screw next to the rewind spindle. Tighten the T10 screw on the pinch roller assembly. Place the pinch roller assembly bracket over the mounting stud on the bottom of the printer. Partially install the T15 screw into the pinch roller support bracket. Install the 7mm nut onto the support stud for the pinch roller assembly. Tighten the T15 screw into the pinch roller support bracket. Close the rewind pinch roller assembly. Close the media door. Stand the printer upright. The new pinch roller is installed.